Hey, I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through cleaning and sealing a deck. Not the whole weekend, but the teaser version. Enough that you can decide whether this is 2 days of satisfying outdoor work or whether your deck is already past saving. Here's the scene. Your deck has gone gray. The boards feel rough under bare feet. The railings look tired. You can see splinters lifting in the sun. You are wondering whether to reseal it, replace boards, or just tear the whole thing out and start over. Wood decks cycle through 3 stages, new and sealed, weathered and graying, and rotted. If you catch it at stage 2, a weekend of work buys you 5 more years. So before you rent a pressure washer, before you buy a single can of stain, here's the single biggest mistake I see homeowners make. They seal rot. Take a screwdriver, walk the deck, push the tip into any soft or dark spot. If it sinks in more than 1/8 of an inch, that board is done. Stain will not save it. You replace that board, then you seal. Otherwise, you are painting over a problem. Now, here's what the job actually looks like. Wet the whole deck with a hose, mix deck cleaner per the label, pour it on, scrub with a stiff brush, let it sit 10 to 15 minutes. Then you pressure wash. Fan tip, not pinpoint, because pinpoint eats the wood. 6 to 12 inches off the surface. You follow the grain. The gray lifts, and bright wood appears behind the spray. You apply a brightener to restore pH. You let the deck dry a full 48 hours. Until a moisture meter reads under 15%. If the grain stood up, you knock it down with 80 grit. Then you choose your finish. Penetrating oil soaks in, shows grain, reapplies every 2 to 3 years. Semi-transparent splits the difference. Solid color hides problems and lasts longer but can peel. You stir the stain, never shake. 50 to 90 degrees, under 50% humidity, no rain in the forecast for 24 hours. 3 boards at a time, wet edge to wet edge. Wipe the excess before it dries, the mistakes that ruin the job, pressure washing at pinpoint setting and leaving fuzz marks in the boards, staining over damp wood, staining in direct sun, putting furniture back in 24 hours instead of 48, and the big one, sealing rotted boards instead of replacing them first. And one more thing, if a joist or a ledger board under the deck probes soft, stop. That is structural, not cosmetic. You do not stain over structural rot. The guide tells you exactly what to look for underneath before you spend a dime on finish. For the full step-by-step, the brightener step, the stain product chart, and the maintenance schedule that keeps your deck out of the replace pile, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.